Nestled in the breathtaking Carpathian Mountains of Romania, Peles Castle stands as a testament to regal grandeur and architectural brilliance. Surrounded by lush forests and overlooking the picturesque town of Sinaia, the castle seems to have sprung straight from the pages of a fairy tale. Its enchanting beauty and rich history have captivated visitors for over a century, making it one of Romania's most treasured landmarks. Peles Castle's story is as captivating as its appearance. Commissioned by King Carol I of Romania in the late 19th century, the castle was intended to be a symbol of Romania's newfound independence and a summer residence for the royal family. The construction of Peles Castle was a monumental undertaking, spanning over 4 decades and involving the skills of renowned architects and craftsmen from across Europe. King Carol I of the German Hohenzollern dynasty was deeply involved in the design process, drawing inspiration from his travels and his vision of a modern European palace. The castle was inaugurated in 1883, but work continued for many years after, with new wings and additions being made to accommodate the royal family's growing needs and tastes. The castle became a beloved summer retreat for the Romanian royal family, who would spend their days enjoying the cool mountain air and the surrounding forests. Peles Castle is a stunning example of German neo-Renaissance architecture, boasting intricate carvings, ornate towers and a harmonious blend of styles that reflect the eclectic tastes of the late 19th century. The castle's exterior is adorned with statues, intricate woodwork and colourful frescoes that depict scenes from Romanian history and mythology. Inside, Peles Castle is no less impressive. The castle boasts over 160 rooms, each lavishly decorated in a different historical style. Visitors can marvel at the opulent decor, which includes Murano crystal chandeliers, hand-painted ceilings, and walls adorned with fine silk and velvet. Among the many highlights of Peles Castle are its impressive collection of art and artifacts. The castle houses a remarkable armory, displaying weapons and armor dating back to the 15th century. The castle's library is another treasure trove, home to rare books and manuscripts, including a first edition of the Gutenberg Bible. One of the most interesting facts about Peles Castle is that it was the first castle in Europe to be fully powered by electricity. The castle had its own power plant and even featured an elevator, a rarity for the time. Today, Peles Castle stands as a museum, offering a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the Romanian royal family and the architectural splendor of a bygone era. After the abolition of the monarchy in Romania, Peles Castle was seized by the communist government and turned into a museum. Fortunately, the castle was spared from destruction during the communist era, and in the 1990s it was returned to the Romanian royal family.